Good morning everybody from South Korea beside the Nakdong River. It is a drizzly morning this morning. We have just finished packing up the tent and everything. We were lucky because the rain held off until right now.
It's another suspension bridge in the making. Pigeons having a gathering for morning breakfast.
Oh, here we are, 10 o'clock. First long climb of 7 to 12%. This last little bit here where you can see Cecile is a good 10 or 11%. I know because I can't push it. I can't push up it. I think I'll be walking up the next bit. It looks like it's a bit longer of the same incline. Makes me appreciate my motorcycle a lot. The last bit's a bit steep, isn't it? That bit's a bit steep.
So we've made it up another hill, only just. I'm feeling it a bit today. It was pretty steep, again pushing the bike up the hill, but look at the view. You can actually see the bridge and the path that we rode on there alongside the Nakdong River. So yeah, the view is pretty spectacular.
That's nice, right? Hello.
Hi, how are you?
Nice.
Where are you from?
From Belgium.
Belgium?
Brussels, yeah. Oh, nice.
Just you and the young fella, or?
My wife and the other kids.
Oh,
Just pushing now.
we promise not to complain for the rest of the trip after seeing you two.
Yeah.
Sorry?
We promise not to complain for the rest of the trip after seeing you two.
Meet this incredible couple and their adorable kids. They've been bikepacking all the way from Tokyo and are now on their way to Seoul. How amazing is that? We had the chance to exchange some valuable road tips and chat about our journeys. It is always inspiring to meet fellow adventurers and hear their stories. Thanks to this lovely family for their tips and great conversation. Have a great trip.
You too. Bye-bye.
Bye.
See ya.
Let's go. Bye, enjoy.
Bye.
Robin, tu dis bye bye?
Bye bye. You're a good helper.
Another lovely little section. After a difficult section, we just come across halfway down that last big hill a family, 2 little kids, probably ages 2 and 4, young parents from Belgium, and they were riding the 4 Rivers Cross Country Trail, and we were talking about the hills. When I saw him, I said, after seeing you buddy, I said I should not complain about any other steep hill ever.
Well, we're on the south side of Namji now. We just picked up some supplies for tonight and just get out of the city a little bit, find a spot to camp. On the path in Namji, just before we crossed the bridge, they had lots of tents up. I'd say there must have been something going on, and therefore there really wasn't any accommodation available.
Collect our money.
Yeah, I think reception's over there. Hello.
예, 과사장님. 아, 예, 예. 예, 예. 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 부산.
Busan.
So,
아,
So how much is campsite?
for tent.
요게?
One
Tent.
tent.
Yeah. One tent.
텐트 3만.
Oh no, small tent.
예,
This tent.
3만 5천.
35.
1박.
35.
예.
35. Australia.
오스트레일리아.
Yeah.
아우. 아, 너.
Okay.
예.
Oh, at the office.
사무실은 오피스
Way over to the camping ground office to pay the bill. So this is going to be our little deck. We have toilets up there, only 30 metres away, and we've got hot showers just there.
So we've pulled up here at this campsite. Got a tent over here. Bike, we've even got power. I had a bit of a sore throat because my water bottle got moldy on the inside. I put Gatorade in it and then topped it up with water, and I think I haven't had a chance to clean it out properly, and I didn't realize either, and I think that's given me a sore throat, so I didn't feel the best today. But we have only less than 100 kilometers to go to Busan now, so whether we make it tomorrow, probably not, or the day after, it really doesn't matter. So we've got some snacks here. We've got some noodles for tonight. We bought some cooked chicken because we really liked that the other day. Just down here. Just put that in the noodles. Sort of makes a nice meal. Anything to add to that?
No, just today was a little frustrating with that hill.
Yes. It was a long hill and it was a steep hill. But there's no more hills now.
Yeah, that's right.
No more hills.
Well,
There's plenty of hills around
we don't
us.
think.
Well, yes. Let famous last words. Let's not speak too soon.
These aren't just small hills, they're bloody
Yeah, they're monsters. So we are surrounded by very beautiful hills. I love looking at them. But my legs are a little tired of pushing my bike up the hill now. That's it for today. We hope you liked this video. If you did, please give us a big thumbs up, subscribe down below, and we'll see you soon in another video.